Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech24. Today, we've got an exciting product to share with you, the Habsibin 176 Turbo Racing Scale RC Sport Car. This limited edition remote control sports car is a must-have for any collector or RC enthusiast. Packed with high simulation design and exquisite details, this mini model car is sure to impress. The included LED headlights and simulated rubber tires add to the realistic look and feel of this tiny powerhouse. But the fun doesn't stop there. With fully proportional and precise control, the Turbo Racing 176 Scale RC car offers a real RC experience in a tiny package. Plus, with the support for steering and throttle fine-tuning functions, you can customize your driving experience to suit your preferences. One of the best features of this RC car is the inclusion of 2 additional unpainted body shells, allowing you to customize the look of your car and stand out from the crowd. And with a built-in 40 mAh LiPo battery, you can drive for up to 30 minutes on a single charge, ensuring that the fun never has to end. Don't miss out on this special edition Habsibin 176 Turbo Racing Scale RC Sport Car. Click the link in the description to get your hands on one of these limited quantity models. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and unboxings. See you next time on Tech24.